Locs to Waves transformation, legendary lock chop. Being careful with the locks in this video because he does want to keep them. I'll let him do the honors of cutting the first lock. One by one, we're chopping these locks off, and I'm getting ready. I'm preparing myself for this challenge because I'm never gonna back down from a challenge. If you know Jay Faded, I love these type of situations because I do better under pressure. See right here, we're having some fun with it. Y'all gonna love the final result of this video. I got my Babyless, and I started out with a number 4 guard. I just wanted to lay all this hair down on the top and figure out the wave pattern. You know, it's very important when you're starting out waves to understand the swirl on the back of the head and which way they're gonna be brushing their hair, which way the waves are gonna lay down. Now he wanted to keep these waves very thick. You can notice that number 4 guard, there's still a lot of thick hair on the top, but all I did was take my T outliner trimmer right here and I'm just knocking down any stray hairs that are pointing up. It's great to create your perimeter first on the haircut before you create your initial guideline because this is what the fade is gonna blend into. One finger length above the ear is where I'm placing this initial guideline, and then I'm just going to be going into my blade open panel after I bought it out, and from there we'll go to the number 1 panel and the number 2 panel, and making sure that we just blend each panel nice and clean before we move on. So right here I have my blade closed, and I'm going up about 1/4 of an inch, starting out the very bottom of the fade. Now I have the blade open, and you can see I'm creating the first panel. Now we're doing some lever play with the Babyless Gold FX clipper. I'm not gonna lie, it's a tough choice right now, and this being my favorite clipper in the game. I also just got the Gold FX trimmers at the Connecticut Barber Expo, and I'm loving these clippers. I'll give you guys a review after I feel it's time. You know, I need to spend some time with the clippers and really give you guys my honest opinion and feedback on them. So I'm doing lever play. I'm just going 1 notch at a time, fading my way from the bald initial guideline into the blade open. To access the 45-minute to an hour tutorials breaking down step by step how to execute your haircuts, you can click the link in the description of this video. We now have the number 1 guard lever open, creating our second guideline. This is our second panel. Now we're going to connect the dots from those 2, and I'm just going to simply create this guideline with the 1 open and then connect the dots with the half guard. As you see me doing here, the lever is open. I've realized that I can actually speed up the time of my haircuts by following this new method. So let me know if this helps you guys. And if you are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button and notification bell to get alerted when new videos come out. So right here I have my number 2 guard. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and start lining them up so I can put the painting in the frame, as Chris Bosio would call it, you know. Being able to have the vision of where the fade is gonna fit into will help you to connect the dots. I apply the Success Shave Gel. I got that on Amazon. Right here I have the Gold Rich Barber razor with the exposed blade. I'm gonna go ahead and hold that at a 45-degree angle and pull the skin in the opposite direction that I'm using the straight razor in. It's important to go ahead and dust your client off and always have a clean towel for each client. And my client also did want his eyebrows done along with this Locs to Wave transformation. You know, it really came out of here as a new man, and that's your job as a barber. People say it all the time, you know, you're more than a barber, you're changing people's lives behind the chair. So right here I use the trimmers to clean up the eyebrows first. Then I go in with my straight razor and I just touch up the line that I've already created with my trimmers. I like to go ahead and line up the arches before I do the front of the hairline. That'll really just help you to vision where the line needs to be. Right here I have that Dunn's butter, and you can see the transformation. My boy is dipping on top. It's a miracle. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell so you can be alerted when new videos come out. I like how it goes from really dark transition on the top to the light on the sides, and that's what you're going for. Thank you guys for watching. It's Jay Faded, and I'm out. Dress the waves. Dress the waves. He already got better waves than KD. Stay tuned.